In a rapidly evolving security environment where mobility, speed, and reliability define mission success, the Philippine Air Force is quietly but decisively strengthening its rotary wing capabilities. And now another major milestone has just been reached. The third unit of the highly capable Subaru Bell 412 EPX helicopter has officially arrived in the Philippines, and it's already undergoing flight testing. According to a recent update shared by aviation observer Drew Tapican, this third aircraft, bearing build number N391BM, was delivered unassembled right here in Manila. Unlike conventional deliveries, where aircraft arrive fully assembled, this unit underwent local assembly, marking a significant step in technical collaboration and capability development within the country. Manufacturer representatives oversaw the assembly process, ensuring that every component, from rotor systems to avionics, was properly installed and calibrated. Once completed, the helicopter underwent a series of rigorous test flights. These are not mere demonstrations, but critical validation procedures to ensure that the aircraft meets operational standards before formal acceptance. And the customer? None other than the Philippine Air Force. This delivery is part of the Philippine military's broader modernization push, aimed at enhancing disaster response, troop mobility, and overall operational readiness across the archipelago. So what makes the Subaru Bell 412 EPX such an important addition to the Philippine Air Force fleet? The 412 EPX is an advanced evolution of the proven Bell 412 platform, a helicopter known worldwide for its versatility and durability. But the EPX variant takes things even further. It features a more powerful engine, an upgraded main rotor gearbox, and increased maximum internal and external load capacity. This means it can carry more troops, more cargo, and more critical equipment, whether in combat support roles or humanitarian missions. For a country like the Philippines, where natural disasters are frequent and terrain is often challenging, these capabilities are not just enhancements, they are necessities. Imagine rapid deployment of relief goods after a typhoon, quick evacuation of injured civilians from remote islands, or swift insertion of troops in areas where roads simply don't exist. That is exactly where the 412 EPX shines. As the third Subaru Bell 412 EPX undergoes final testing and prepares for formal acceptance, it represents more than just another aircraft. It symbolizes progress. Progress in modernization, progress in capability, and progress in the Philippine Air Force's mission to protect and serve the nation. With more units expected to arrive and integrate into the fleet, the future of Philippine air mobility is steadily taking shape, one helicopter at a time. If you found this update insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth coverage of Philippine defense developments and military modernization. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.